today on NYSE Floor Talk is Jim Neesen. He is the managing partner at Connor Group. Jim, it's wonderful to see you again.
Judy, thank you so much. Wonderful to see you as well.
Wow, so it's been a year. We are now at the 2024 IPO Summit, hosted by Connor Group. So talk to me about Connor Group and your role.
Yeah, so Connor Group is a world-leading accounting advisory firm where we've really built our brand and worked on over 250 IPOs in technology, life science, and growth industries since 2006.
So now, what is your best advice as a company prepares to IPO?
Yeah, I think the best piece of advice is really putting together a thoughtful plan of where you are now and where you want to be. I think the biggest mistake we see is people think they can compress time. You actually need 9 to 12 months to be really thoughtful about understanding your business, driving profitability, having a good visibility on your revenue, but also having your house in order.
Now, Jim, what would you say is the biggest pitfall a company should avoid as they prepare for their IPO?
Yeah, I think the biggest issue is that they typically don't build up sort of the resources and the expertise. It's been 2 years of an IPO winter, right? There haven't been a lot of transactions out there. Most companies don't have that muscle memory, and they don't actually have the resources to get them through the process. I think the biggest thing is you build the team out, but you also want to build out those expert resources who've been there, done that, to make sure that you're successful in the path ahead.
All right, so a company goes public. Tell me, what should they be focused on the most as they are now a public company?
I think a big thing is, obviously you hear things like under promise, over deliver. You got to know your business. That's a really big part of it as well. I think a bigger piece too is, how do you want to grow and scale your business sustainably? You raise a lot of money. What are the things that you want to do that really sort of align with your core business model, right? The vision and the mission of the organization, and something that you see sort of is going to be sustainable for years to come.
All right, now tell me, what are your predictions for the 2024 IPO market?
Yeah, so we're calling it IPO spring. I mean, it is an unbelievable time. You can hear and feel the energy. We have 675 companies at the IPO Summit right now that are $850 billion of private company valuation, 190 unicorns. And you really see companies that are looking for 24 and 25 transaction windows. At Connor Group, we actually have 62 companies in a survey that are looking to go public in 24 and 25. You're not seeing this in the press, you're not seeing this in the newspapers. That's why it's IPO spring. The temperature of the soil is perfect right now. You're getting sun, you're getting nutrients. That's the beauty of winter, right? It brings resources, so the things in spring should grow. Companies that are now getting ready, we're right now in about April or May, but summer and the fall harvest is going to be around the corner.
That's a great analogy, Jim. Wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you, Judy. Thank you so much.